may ambulance na tumating. And chichismis pa. Jonah Roma. Hello, good evening, Jonah. Ang ganda nga iyan kahit ako gusto ko pero di ko type ugali nila 3 months ako doon sa Paris. Ano ba? Yung ugali, yung kultura o yung ugali talaga ng mga tao? You have to, Rumble. You have to teach me. Yung kultura ba nila o yung yung ugali talaga ng tao? Fatima, you from Philippines? Yes, I'm from Philippines, Fatima. Good evening. Thank you. Di ko masabi kung ugali o kultura nila basta. Ayun lang. Iba din kasi pag nasanay ka sa nakasanay ka sa mga kulturang Pilipino or sa ugali ng Pilipino. Iba din kasi. Yun. Kasi pagdating na sa bansa nila, tayo talaga magka-adjust. Pero, pangarap ko matuto ng French. Tuto ng French. Kaiki, hello. Good evening, Kaiki. Are you N? What's N? Hello, Samuel Said. Good evening. Host, you have a very beautiful face. Thank you so much, Oriento. Okay, sige. Take your time. Thank you sa patala. Thank you. Hello, Meran. Hello, good evening. What again, Rumble? Hey, good evening, Sam. I'm okay. I'm fine. Thank you so much. Thank you, Meran MM. Good evening. Kindly follow, subscribe my channel, Meran, and give me a thumbs up. Kaiki, hello. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. What is your name? My name is Pooh. I don't know. I just subscribed to your channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. And give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Hello. Thank you, Kaiki. Kaiki. Thank you so much for giving me a thumbs up.